Do you feel it? That flutter in your stomach, that feeling that something big is about to happen? Today is no ordinary day. Your angels are whispering a truth to your heart that you already feel, but perhaps are afraid to admit. They speak of a secret passion, a deep desire that grows with each passing day. A special person, who is already a part of your life, has been touched by an irresistible feeling, a love so strong that not even an age difference can stand in its way. And now, right now, the universe is conspiring, aligning every detail, every moment, so that this connection becomes something you never imagined. Stay with me until the end, and while you're here, subscribe to the channel to find out what your angels want you to know. This person has been lost in the intensity of your beauty and your light that shines like a beacon in the darkness. They have been captivated by your joy, which has the power to transform any place. Now, this person can't stop thinking about you. Every memory, every smile of yours brings a longing that tightens their chest. They are not just impressed by your appearance, but touched by something much deeper, an attraction that goes beyond the physical. There is a connection that speaks directly to the heart, something that resonates on an emotional level that words often fail to reach. They are enchanted by the purity of your heart, the way you spread that light, vibrant energy, and how you brighten every place you go. When they look into your eyes, they feel a warmth that goes far beyond simple desire. It's a warmth that reveals a rare connection, a harmony that few have the privilege of experiencing in life. And they feel deeply, that what exists between you is more than a fleeting attraction. It's a bond that defies time, built on genuine admiration for who you truly are. The angels tell you that this feeling is not merely a result of chance. On the day you met, there was a touch of magic. It was as if the universe, silently and mysteriously, had been planning this meeting long before it happened. Your romantic destiny has been guided by a higher force from the beginning, and this connection is reinforced by the care of the angels who have always been nearby, supporting every step, every smile, every glance exchanged. This is one of those stories where everything seems interconnected, where every moment has a purpose. And the angels tell you, this union is protected by a love that goes beyond what can be seen. There is a higher plan that is always at work, ensuring this connection, so full of magic and charm, flourishes and stays alive. A proof that true love, when guided by higher forces, can overcome any obstacle. Imagine finding someone who, from the first moment, seems to have been made just for you. This special person becomes so much more than just someone by your side. They become a life companion, an unshakable friend who suddenly makes everything make sense. The love that springs from this connection is pure, intense, almost tangible, as if destiny is manifesting, bringing with it a greater purpose than simply being in love. Every glance exchanged, every shared smile awakens a sense of belonging, that finally, you've found your place in the world. It's not just about their presence by your side. It's about the transformation they bring with them, as if they have the power to change everything inside you, to awaken the best in your soul, to push you forward when you doubt the path. This love, more than a fleeting feeling, comes loaded with deep meaning. It makes you reflect on what true love is, what it means to give yourself to someone without reservation, without fear. It's an invitation to explore the depths of who you really are, to discover what truly matters, what is essential. It's about finding happiness in the little things, in every simple moment you share, because it's these moments that become the foundation of a story that seems never to end. You realize this person came into your life with a clear purpose, to make you grow, to bring you peace, contentment, and an unending joy. Each day, this bond of love becomes stronger, and you realize it is not something ordinary. It is divine, it is sacred. It's as if your souls were destined to meet, as if they were walking toward each other for all eternity, waiting for the right moment to connect. The angels whisper that this love story is not a coincidence but a destiny drawn by forces beyond our understanding. It's as if the entire universe conspired to bring together two souls that were always meant to be. The energy between you is so intense, so pure, that it cannot be ignored. There is an invisible current linking you, a magnetic force that continues to pull you toward each other, regardless of anything. When this special person came into your life, they brought with them a wave of renewal and a strength you may not have known you needed. This love came to transform you, to make you feel alive in a way only those who have truly loved can understand. The angels want you to know that the feeling you carry in your heart is not just a whim or a passing fantasy. It is something much greater, something that touches the very roots of your existence. This love knows no limits. Distance, obstacles, or even the difference in age that may separate you. None of this matters because the essence of this love is eternal. It's as if your hearts are tuned to the same frequency, guided by a divine hand that knows exactly what is best for you. You can feel it in the little things, in the glances, in the smiles, in the way one cares for the other. It's a connection that can't be explained with simple words, because it is felt on a much deeper level. And the most beautiful thing is that even in difficulties, this love continues to grow, getting stronger, showing that it is indeed possible to find something rare, something true, something that defies all your past experiences and makes you believe, again, in the power of love. When this person, who is already so special to you, decides to open up and express the desire to strengthen the loving bond between you, it will be like a new chapter beginning in your journey together. A journey that will undoubtedly transform this bond into something unique, strong, and unbreakable. You know that kind of love that you will feel is true, pure, and genuine? Yes, that will be exactly the love your angels will guarantee. They will whisper that the right moment will come for you to open your heart and embrace the blessings that the universe will bring to this special connection. The angels will tell you that this sacred union will be much more than just a simple relationship. It will be blessed and guided by a light that will shine intensely, full of love and affection. Together, you will find in each other the warmth and inspiration needed to face any challenge that may arise. This person, who will be so important to you, will be more than just a sublime love. They will be a true soul companion, someone chosen by your angels to be by your side, walking with you, becoming an eternal presence in your life. Your angels say that this moment will be as if the universe had planned everything, every detail, for you to meet and build something beautiful and lasting. They want you to know that this love will be a gift, a divine present that should be embraced with all your heart. Then, the moment will come for both of you to embark on this journey together, with the certainty that you are being guided and protected with every step you take. And remember, your love will be special, unique, and blessed. It will be a bond made to last, to grow, and to strengthen over time. The signs the universe is sending you are clear. This special person who stirs your heart so much, who seems to complete every little part of you, is the perfect image of true love, the sacred meeting of souls that is so often sought. It is that rare, deep connection that only grows and strengthens over time, even in the face of the greatest challenges. The angels who guide you make it clear that this love this person feels for you is immense, unwavering, and the purest and most genuine you can imagine. And you know what? This love will continue to grow, always. This person's presence in your life is like a ray of light illuminating your path. Their heart overflows with passion, with an intense desire to build something beautiful, something lasting, something that endures time and storms. And they want to build this with you, side by side, without haste but also without fear. A love that goes beyond appearances, rooted in mutual trust and the commitment to be present for each other, no matter what. The message that comes from above, the one that touches the heart and soul, reminds us of how our angels and the higher forces of the universe are always at work around us. They are sent to protect us, guide us, strengthen us, especially when we face the most intense challenges. Our guardian angels, these invisible companions, are always by our side, helping us overcome the battles that arise daily, while leading us, step by step, toward our true life's purpose. Now you are beginning a journey that goes far beyond the ordinary, an experience that promises to transform your life in a profound way. This new chapter begins with a romance, a relationship that is not just another one. It is a meeting of souls, something that was predestined, that comes to help you grow, learn, and experience love in its purest and truest form. This union is not by chance. It carries a divine purpose, to strengthen and nurture the path you are both on. The person the universe has brought close to you is completely captivated by your way, by your light, by who you truly are. They are increasingly charmed by your smile, by the sparkle that is always present in your eyes. This connection deepens, becoming stronger every day, creating a bond that seems to have been woven by destiny's very hands. This relationship is more than just a mere coincidence. It is the convergence of energies, of souls that meet to complete each other, to learn and teach. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, orchestrated this encounter so that you both could experience the fullness of a love that knows no limits, that is not confined by standards or expectations. Deep down in your heart, you know this special person feels truly blessed to have the chance to build such a deep and sacred connection with you. This person, full of passion and desire, dreams of creating with you a solid alliance of love, intertwined with precious moments and adventures that are yet to come. They feel that this love has the promise of being lasting, bringing genuine happiness, and fulfilling all those romantic dreams that have always filled their heart. Just imagine, in a beautiful moment, this person appears before you, bringing an unexpected proposal of love. You, perhaps taken by surprise, will feel overwhelmed by a radiant joy, a sensation that lights up the heart. And when they finally open their heart, revealing their deepest intentions and feelings, you will understand that this encounter is more than destiny. It is a divine invitation to plant, together, the seeds of true and blessed love. The angels around you whisper for you to trust and open your heart without reservations. They assure you that this love is a beautiful alliance, a unique connection that deserves to be embraced with all your being. They remind you that, by allowing yourself to live this moment fully, you will enable this divine bond to grow and flourish even more. It's a love that comes eager, breathless, filled with hope, and with an intensity that touches the soul. The person who comes closer brings with them not just words of love, but a deep and true feeling that vibrates in every gesture, in every look. And when you finally meet, it will be as if the stars shine a little brighter, as if the entire universe is conspiring for you two to recognize and surrender to this journey of sublime love. Open your heart, be attentive to the signs, and prepare to receive this divine gift, this unique opportunity to live a love that transcends the ordinary and becomes eternal. The universe is conspiring in your favor, and God, with His infinite wisdom and kindness, is guiding you toward a life full of love, happiness, and transformation. Your angels are by your side, whispering sweet and gentle words, promising that a new phase of fulfillment and realization is about to begin. Feel this energy that comes from above, a call to open your heart and prepare to receive the blessings you've always dreamed of. You're destined to live an incredible story, a journey that will unite two souls made for each other, like pieces of a divine puzzle. The angels say that this special person who is about to enter your life carries your image within them, the reflection of your soul. They are the one who completes your being, the missing piece for you to feel whole, fulfilled. And this union, announced by the heavens, will be filled with love, care, and all the promises of a bright future. The angels reveal that this person is approaching with a declaration that will change everything. They feel an irresistible attraction to you, enchanted by the light you emanate, by the peace you bring with you. They already know, deep in their heart, that the next step is to find you so that together, you can live the most beautiful and intense dreams of love. And the whole universe celebrates this moment, to the sound of a divine melody played by the stars and bathed in the soft romantic light of the moon. Your angels whisper in your ear, "Get ready, for a marriage proposal is on its way." Yes, a future filled with love is very near, and it will be alongside this special person that you will build a life full of achievements and shared dreams. Your heart will overflow with joy and passion. You are already destined for each other, and this destiny is drawing near, bringing with it a new chapter in your story. A blessed chapter, written by divine hands, where every word represents a dream come true and every line is filled with love and hope. The journey you will embark on together will be full of unforgettable moments, achievements, and precious memories that will be forever kept in the depths of your hearts. This special person is counting the days, the hours, the minutes, eager for every moment by your side. Together, you will build an eternal love story, where each day will be a new page, filled with joy, complicity, and emotion. This unexpected encounter, full of emotion and mystery, is much more than a simple coincidence or chance. It is the beginning of something magical, a start that comes loaded with true promises of a love you've always dreamed of. Open your heart, let it fill with joy, because you are about to live a story that will mark your life forever. Imagine what your angels are trying to tell you. They are revealing a bond of love so strong, a soul connection so powerful, that nothing and no one can break it. This connection you feel, this tightness in your chest, is a sacred feeling that elevates you, that makes you feel in a state of fullness and happiness like never before. It is the energy of this pure love that will keep the two of you always together, even in the face of any difficulty that may arise. There is a deep joy that your angels want to share with you. This person, who carries so much affection in their heart, was placed in your path by a divine plan, a higher purpose that goes beyond our understanding. It's as if the universe were conspiring in favor of this love, carefully weaving every thread of this relationship so that nothing fails. The connection you have is not just anything, it is an unbreakable bond, fueled by a burning and divine love, an energy so celestial that it seems to transcend time and space. This love is the fuel that will keep your flame alive, always vibrant, growing stronger each day. After so many changes, so many ups and downs that you have both recently faced, your guardian angels assure you that the challenges are now fading away. The feelings surrounding this union are the most sincere and true, so embrace this divine gift with joy. Allow yourself to feel, to live this passion intensely, because it is the realization of a dream, something rare and precious that deserves to be cultivated with all the affection in the world. This connection between you is more than just a meeting of two souls. It is a genuine and deep fusion that strengthens with each moment. It's as if your hearts were made to complete each other, forming an unbreakable bond of love that transcends time and space. The angels are constantly by your side, whispering for you to let this love bloom even more, to open your heart without fear to feel and share this renewed energy that springs from within you. You will gradually notice how things around you are changing, almost magically, to make this journey of love even stronger and more meaningful. Every little gesture, every exchanged look, every moment together is building something much greater than you can imagine. And in the meantime, your guardian angels continue to guide you, showing the way to a deeper understanding, a truer love. The person you love feels an almost palpable longing for you, a yearning that seems to transform into something even more powerful and overwhelming. It is a love that not only exists but grows and expands, taking over all their thoughts, every beat of their heart. It is as if this feeling were being refined, becoming purer and more intense, a flame that burns brighter every day and illuminates their life with a light that comes directly from your love. The moments you share are special, but now, they are becoming even more significant. Each shared experience brings forth new emotions, sensations that perhaps you have never felt before. It is the beginning of a new cycle, a cycle in which your love will expand and transform. This romantic journey you are treading is blessed, and the angels are there, announcing that this bond that unites you both is becoming even stronger, even more captivating. As you move forward on this path, your angels are always nearby, offering protection and guidance. They are whispering in your heart, bringing a message of hope, renewal, and a love that not only persists but transforms into something even more beautiful and profound. The loved one feels a wave of emotions that often they themselves do not understand, but which invade them in such an intense way that it is impossible to ignore. This message is a gentle reminder that the love you share is not ordinary. It is something rare, something that deserves to be nurtured and protected. It is a divine gift, a manifestation of God, reflected in every smile, every gesture, every word exchanged between you. And as you continue on this journey, may this flame continue to burn brightly, illuminating both of your paths and further strengthening the sacred bond you share. Prepare yourself to feel something unique, something you may have never felt before. Emotions will run high, and this feeling will envelop you in a warm, welcoming, intense way. The angels guide you, whispering in your ear that this is the time to open your heart without reservation, to surrender without fear, because the love that has come to you is special. Let this miracle of love invade your life, with all its colors and lights, and stay alert to the signs that your always careful angels are sending to you. May this light that emanates from this love illuminate every step of your path, and may this blessing continue to shine over both of your hearts forever. And if by chance this person called out to you, whispering your name while gazing at the moon and stars, and you, distracted, did not notice, know that this call still resonates within you, like a soft echo, a whisper of love that never stops touching your soul. If you felt this message was for you, write in the comments, "This is a love for a lifetime." Remember that the universe only wants the best for you, even if sometimes you do not realize it. God loves you deeply. You are a force that surrounds the world around you and without a doubt, will find your purpose through love. Type Amen to accept this message and all the blessings it brings. Take a moment to leave a positive comment, helping other viewers who need encouragement in their day. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and stay tuned for the next message waiting for you in the next video.